Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add notes to your habits on the Done application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then go to your home screen. Now you should choose from your habits that you would like to add the note to. Just simply scroll to the left side of the screen and then tap on this plus note icon, which is closest to the right side of the screen. And here you are ready to type in your note into this box. If you are done with it, you can also change the date and time of your habit by tapping on this button down below, so you are ready to select the exact date and time. If you are done with it, you should press the button done in the right side of the screen. And now if you are done with these steps, press the button save down below. So now if you tap on it, you will be able to see your note. If you tap on this note icon down below, as you can see, you have added this buy coffee note to it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.